what you have to do is you add the frequency. You get these two ingredients to fight fibroid 3 times every month. Today I'm going to talk about the garlic. This plant is a very special plant. In fact, when it comes to spiritual use, when it comes to physical use, or the health benefits of this plant is very superb. Yes, people suffering from heart disease, heart problems, and all those kind of veins or the blood related problems, we are going to use garlic as a friend. This plant has an unpleasant scent to some people, of which they hate the scent. In fact, the scent of this plant makes it special. The kind of the scent that comes out when this plant is being crushed, yes, when being crushed, is the automatic healing power of this plant. So when this plant scent is coming out when being crushed, don't run away, because when it enters into you, studies have shown that when the garlic is being crushed, the allicin that is being released when enters into your that is your system, that is capable of doing a lot of magic. So people want to cook and remove some kind of, when it is being cooked, this kind of that is the chemical is being reduced. So when you are chewing garlic, or some people when they are chewing, when you chew, you can sense that the scent that is coming out is very strong. So this is the power of the garlic that is used to heal a lot of sickness. There are other benefits. There are other chemicals that are in it that also does a lot of benefit. But this allicin that when you crush makes the garlic unpleasant is its power. Once again, when it comes to the spiritual aspect of this garlic, garlic is a powerful plant that you can't remove the plant. When you're talking about the spiritual plants, you can't remove it from it. In fact, it is used to clear negative energy, it is used to bring positivity, it is used to remove anything that the spirits or the evil people has inflicted in us at night, like eating in dreams, all those kind of things. When you found out early in the morning that you ate in a dream and you are feeling uncomfortable, cut some pieces of garlic, chop the garlic and put it into what? Into water. Let it stand for about 20 minutes and drink it to neutralize this negative energy. Once again, we are some evil sickness. When you feel that there's negative energy in you, soak garlic water, put your leg in it, stand in it for some time, about 20 minutes, or sit on a chair and put your legs inside for about 20 minutes to remove and neutralize negative energy. There are some people suffering from automatic weakness early in the morning. They feel that they've been exhausted throughout the night. They are being chased, they are being beaten in the night. When you wake up in the morning, add some sea salt to water and cut some garlic into your water. Bath for a day to relieve this stress. Yes, on this channel, I'm going to teach about natural things to heal ourselves. So subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and comment if you don't understand anything. We are going to learn a lot of things here. So subscribe and let's watch a lot of things on this channel. See you in the next video.